Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing the hole and the dash material so you know what filler and backing to use. Once done, remove loose debris and clean thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol. Make sure dust and oils are gone so adhesives bond. Cut a backing patch slightly larger than the void and test fit it behind the hole. While you prepare tools, sandpaper, plastic filler, flexible backing, put on gloves and protect interior surfaces. This initial prep sets the stage for a durable repair. You now secure the backing and begin building structure from behind. Press adhesive into place and allow tack time so the patch stays aligned. Once stable, apply flexible plastic filler in thin layers, working from the center outward to avoid air pockets. After each layer cures, sand gently with 180-320 grit to match the dash contour. Clean dust and repeat until the surface is flush. Make sure to feather edges so the transition is invisible once textured and painted. You finish by recreating texture and color so the repair disappears. First, apply a compatible primer, then use a stipple or texture spray to mimic the dash grain. Test on scrap until it matches. Once texture sets, spray thin coats of matched paint, blending outward for a seamless look. Allow proper flash between coats. After final cure, reinstall, trim, and inspect. If paint or texture peels later, re-clean and lightly scuff. Then recoat. This troubleshooting step fixes adhesion issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.